In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional website using GoHighLevel, step by step. Whether you're completely new to website building or just looking for a faster, easier way to design sites, this guide will take you through the entire process from start to finish. I'll show you everything, from setting up your account, navigating the dashboard, designing your pages, adding content like text, images, and videos, all the way to connecting a custom domain and publishing your website live on the internet. Even if you've never built a website before, don't worry, I'll break down each step in a simple, easy-to-follow way. You'll learn how to use the drag-and-drop editor, add sections, rows, and elements, and make your website look professional without writing a single line of code. This walkthrough works whether you're building a website for yourself, for your business, or even for clients. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to create a fully functional website, but you'll also have the confidence to make changes, add pages, and maintain it over time. If you want to follow along and try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below where you can start a free 14-day trial and test out everything I'm showing you in real time. So grab your computer, log in to GoHighLevel, and let's get started on building your very first website. First, go to your GoHighLevel dashboard and log in with your account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Sites. Click on it, then click on the Websites tab under that section. This is where all your websites are stored. If this is your first time, the page might be empty. That's okay. Now, click the button that says New Website. You'll be given two options. One is to start from a blank website, and the other is to use a template. If you want full control and want to design everything from scratch, go with the blank website. But if you want a faster way to build, you can choose from the pre-built templates. For this video, we'll start from a blank website so I can show you every part of the design process. Once you create a new website, you'll be taken to the website editor. This is where the real work begins. At the top, you'll see a name field. Type in a name for your website. This is just for your own use, so it can be anything. Then you'll see your first page, usually named New Page. Click on it to open the page editor. The editor has three main parts. On the left, there is a panel where you can add sections, rows, and elements. In the center is the live preview of your website. And on the right, you'll see settings for each element you select. The GoHighLevel editor uses a drag-and-drop system, so you don't need to know any code. To start building your page, you need to add a section. Click the Add Section button. You'll be asked if you want a full width, wide, or boxed section. Choose full width for now. Then click Add Row inside that section. A row can have one column or multiple columns. Let's choose one column for now. Next, click Add Element inside the row. This is where you choose what content to add. You'll see options like headline, subheadline, image, button, video, and more. Let's add a headline first. Drag it into your row and it will appear immediately in the preview. Click on the headline text to edit it. Type something like, "Welcome to my website." On the right side, you'll see options to change the font, color, size, alignment, and more. Adjust it until it looks the way you want. Now let's add a subheadline below the main headline. Click Add Element again, drag a subheadline under the headline, and type in a message like, "We help you grow your business online." You can style this the same way. Keep your font simple and easy to read. Next, add a button below the subheadline. Click Add Element, choose Button, and drag it in. Click the button to edit its text. You can type something like "Book a call" or "Learn more." On the right-hand side, you can change the color of the button, its shape, and what happens when someone clicks it. Click the Action tab. Here you can link to another page, a calendar, a form, or an external link. For example, if you have a booking calendar set up in GoHighLevel, you can connect it here, making it easy for visitors to book time with you. Now let's add an image to the page. Click Add Element, then choose Image and drag it to wherever you want it. When you click the image, you can upload your own file or choose from previously uploaded files. Try to keep image sizes small so your site loads fast. You can also add padding and spacing using the Style panel on the right. If you want to add a video, click Add Element, choose Video, and drag it into place. Then paste the YouTube or Vimeo link into the settings. Your video will now play directly on the site. You can repeat this process to build the rest of your homepage. Add more sections if needed. You can create a features section with icons, a testimonial section, or a pricing section. Every section can have its own rows and elements. Think of sections as background blocks, rows as layouts within each section, and elements as the content. Now that we've built the home page, let's talk about creating more pages. Go back to the main website editor by clicking the back arrow at the top left. Click Add Page, give your page a name like About Us or Contact, and edit it just like the home page. Use the same process. Add sections, rows, and elements. Keep your styles consistent. Use the same fonts, colors, and spacing so your website looks professional. Once you've created all your pages, it's time to link them together with a navigation menu. Go back to your home page, add a new row at the top of the page, and add a navigation menu element. This lets you add links to all your other pages. Click on the menu to edit the links. You can choose the pages you've already made or link to external websites. You can also change the look of the menu, like its color, font, and spacing. You should also add a footer to the bottom of your pages. Add a new section, then a row, and add elements like text, links, and social media icons. This is where you can include your contact info, terms of service, privacy policy, or social media links. A good footer helps build trust with your visitors. Once your website looks the way you want, preview it by clicking the Preview button at the top. This lets you see what your site will look like on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Make sure everything looks good on all devices. Adjust spacing and font sizes if needed. You can also use the responsive settings to hide or show elements on mobile only. When you're happy, click Save. Now go back to the main website dashboard and click the Settings button for your website. Here, you can set your site title, description, favicon, and domain. If you want to publish your site under a custom domain, you need to connect your domain first. Go to the Settings tab in the left sidebar, then Domains, and click Add New Domain. Enter your domain name. You'll get DNS records that you need to add to your domain provider, like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Follow the instructions to set your A record and key name. Once connected, go back to your website settings and assign that domain. After assigning the domain, your website is live. You can share the link with others and they'll be able to visit your site. If you need to make changes, just come back into the editor, make updates, and hit Save again. You can also clone websites inside GoHighLevel, helpful if you want to reuse a layout for another client or project. And that's how you create a website in GoHighLevel, from choosing your layout, adding content, linking pages, previewing for mobile, setting a custom domain, and going live. It's all possible inside one platform. Whether you're building one site for yourself, for many for clients, this process saves time and gives you full control over your web presence. Design professional websites effortlessly with GoHighLevel's Builder. This platform gives you all the tools you need to create beautiful, functional websites without needing any coding experience. From drag-and-drop editing to pre-built elements and easy page customization, everything is designed to save you time and make the process simple. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel for yourself, don't forget to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial, which is perfect for testing out everything we covered in this video. From building your homepage, adding content, linking pages, setting up navigation, and even connecting a custom domain. During the trial, you can explore all the features, experiment with different layouts, and see exactly how easy it is to create professional websites. This is a great opportunity whether you're building a site for your own business, for a personal project, or even for clients. You can practice, make mistakes, learn as you go, and by the end of your trial, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to build full websites quickly and efficiently. All the tools, templates, and features are right there at your fingertips, ready for you to design, customize, and go live with your very own website. So go ahead, click the link in the description, start your free 14-day trial, and begin building websites that look professional, work smoothly, and make an impact online.